does asparagus grow better in raised bed or directly in the ground? I'd like to start an asparagus bed, but I know very little about the plants. I think you have to spread the roots out and plant deep. What is the best time to plant? What else should I know? So asparagus is a perennial vegetable, which means it comes back every year.
I know people that have had it for 50 plus years in the same area.
People buy homes and then they discover that they have homegrown asparagus in their backyard. So I would not recommend it in a raised bed. No. This is something that you want to put in the ground. You want to put it, I don't want to say off to the side, but you don't want to put
out
it
of regular
a lot of people find them like along their fence lines when they buy their homes and don't realize there was an asparagus bed there.
A block over in the corner where there's going to be some maintenance required, but it's not going to be, it's directly, you're always walking around it.
Right. And then yes, you do want to plant them deep. And you also want to spread the roots out. The roots are like stringy, kind of.
Like a spider.
Like a spider, yeah. And so you want to, when you plant them, you want to take care to, because those are what grows more asparagus, because the roots establish and then they shoot stuff up. So you want to shoot the plant up. So, and that's how the asparagus grows over time, or should grow over time. And
based on the year of root it is, you can start asparagus from seed. It takes 5 years to get something to harvest. You can get 1 year roots, 2 year roots, and then that shortens that time frame from harvest. Now, it's not a guarantee that you plant these the way it's supposed to be and everything's wonderful. We planted some several years ago, and it's a hit and miss for us. And we did everything right.
Yeah, ours is...
And it was the second planting.
Ours produces like three.
Right.
Asparagus
now we've got 10 plants, and I think there's like 9 or 8 or they're still producing, but they produce very minimum. So we did everything right, and maybe it was a variety. And that was the second planting of those. We had bought some from an independent garden center locally and put them in the ground at the appropriate time and waited a whole month, and nothing happened. So I went and started digging them up, and out of the 10 plants we had, I think 3 actually sprouted. So you called that garden center and said, told them the story, and they're like, oh, just wait some more time. And we don't like doing this, but we pulled that card, and you said, ma'am, I have a national garden radio show. I know what I'm talking about. Okay, well, bring him in. We'll get your money back for him.
Right, exactly.
We don't like doing that.
No, not at all. So anyway.
But she had no interest in working with us because we were just some dumb people that didn't know how to grow asparagus.